jaga di sehari, suami setia sehari, bakta jana samaraksaka, bakta jana samaraksaka, Pardi Maheswara, Om Je jaga di sehari, Om Kararopa, Om Je Siwasai, Mahadewa Satyasai, Mahadewa, Manggala Aratean Doko, Manggala Aratean Doko, Mandara Girindra Hari, Om Je jaga di sehari, Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Je Sat Guru Dewa.
We are about ready to head to climb the mountain with all my Hindu friends, where they go and pray to their ancestors. Kind of rainy today. We've got our Dasujan, and I wish I could show you Target, but he's busy driving. If he turns around, we'll kill ourselves. Hey, turn and look at me a little bit. My friend is from Busungbiu. You can't see it now, so I'll try to come in closer. We're above Busungbiu. You hear that noise? That's him singing, but I think too far away. Neat little town. Get here that, you know, is combination playboy, holy man, teacher, and the guy is nuts, totally nuts, but lots of fun. He'll do anything. Littler road. We usually get littler and littler. Should be able to get these little school kids always dressed up in their uniform.
Nanti menunggu saya.
Road's getting littler.
Apu se kongkondao charabe sonori.
Now, and it's going to get smaller in a second. And they always seem to here, but this one's muddy. So okay, kemana?
Ya, pertama kali seorang lelaki menaruh gininya di atas kepala.
Mengapa? Ya.
Sebab tradisi Bali biasanya wanita yang bawa. Karena ini mendaki gunung ke Batukaru dekat Tabanan, harus yang laki-laki yang bawa.
Mungkin Meme. Meme di kepala.
Hati-hati lehernya patah. Ayo kita berangkat sekarang.
Oke.
Ke gunung itu.
Ayo.
Ya, embun namanya.
Embun is fog. Yeah. And the trail is very wet because lots of rain yesterday.
Ya, ini suatu tantangan namanya.
Hopefully we won't fall down. Tantangan. And Papa, Target, Ibu, Target, apa? Go. Siapa? Go. And there he is, yang paling kuat.
Pergi mendaki.
And Target with yet another one of his pacar. Dia punya banyak pacar.
Banyak pacar.
Om Swastiastu. Ini adalah pura yang ada di Tabanan. Kita di sini bisa sembahyang karena ini adalah leluhur daripada Pasak Kubayan atau 7 Sabtu Resi. Ya. Dan ini adalah kami akan berangkat ke Puncak Tahun atau Gunung Batukaru. Ya. Ini sudah makan semuanya. Ini sudah makanannya adalah daging ayam dan tipat. Perutnya itu sudah kembung itu memenya. Karena makan. Iya. Paling tampan orang yang bawa golok. Ini adalah orang yang tertampan di dunia.
Adik Meme.
Iya. Iya. Yeah.
Okay. Meme decided be quiet yet. Meme decided she wanted to join these people and stay up on this mountain, and it was cold and rainy and awful, and I had to stay in this little tiny place, freezing all night, with no blankets, and it was awful, and why did I come here? Anybody want to kentut it now, which is another word in our language for fart. And it was this tiny little spot, and the wind is blowing, and that's why we're all shivering.
Wah, sunrise sudah datang.
Yeah, it sure did. Sunrise. We know that word.
Sudah pergi.
But I can't get down this thing because it's so slippery, and it's like hours and hours down this thing. And it was awful. And and I don't want to do it ever again. Tidak pernah lagi. And tahun depan Meme tidak mau ikut. Wet wood, and we're all freezing. Show where we slept.
Kami ada di Puncak Kedaton, adalah di Puncak Tabanan. Di daerah Tabanan, namanya Gunung Batukaru. Di sini ada 4 pura. Tidak ada pura, tetapi di sana adalah tempat persembahyangan, pemujaan pada Dewa Hyang Temuh yang mendirikan Pulau Bali.